Hello students, let's discuss question 1 of paper 2 of JEE Advanced 2021. It is the original question and which I have taken from official IIT JEE site. So in the first question they are saying orthoxylene as a major product. In which of the following options we will get orthoxylene as a major product, and it is multi-choice question. So let's see the question. Option A. By the way, what is orthoxylene? Orthoxylene is 1,2-dimethyl benzene. That is orthoxylene. Now what they are saying here, NH2. This is primary amine, aromatic primary amine. This is NaNO2 HCl 273. 273 Kelvin means 0 degree Celsius. This is diazotization. What will happen in diazotization? You will get CH3 and then here N2 plus, that is diazonium cation, or you can say diazonium salt because Cl minus is there. Then CuCN, that is Sandmeyer reaction, you will get Cn here, so you will get CH3 Cn. After second step, CH3 will remain as such. In the third step, you know, that is a diol H. Diol H is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. What it does, it changes Cn into CHO. This is a very typical reaction written in the NCERT. So this is CHO. This is not very strong reducing agent as LiLH4 is. So it will convert this into CHO. And now we have in the fourth step, there are two type of reactions, you know, that to change C double bond O to CH2. One is in the basic medium and another is in the acidic medium. This basic medium reaction we know is Wolff-Kishner reduction, and in acidic medium, here like in this option, this is called Clemmensen reduction. So this will happen and you will get CH3 and then here C double bond OH was there, so it will convert into CH2. So you will get a CH3 and then it will also convert C double bond O into CH2, so you will get CH3 and here also CH3. So in A option, obviously you will get xylene. Come to the second option, magnesium. Here is a halide, so you will get Grignard reagent, then CO2. Grignard reagent with CO2 will give you carboxylic acid. It will give you carboxylate anion, and then acidic workup will give you carboxylic acid. So after first step, what will you get? You will get CH3COOH. SOCl2 will convert this COH group as C double bond O Cl, alkanoyl chloride. Then you have Rosenmund reduction. It is the same catalyst as the Lindlar's one, and we will get CH double bond O here. And again the Clemmensen reduction will always do the same thing as here Wolff-Kishner reduction did. Wolff-Kishner reduction is done in the basic medium, as you can see, and it is done in the acidic medium. But CH3 is not posing any problem to Wolff-Kishner or Clemmensen reduction. So after Clemmensen reduction, that is ZnHgCl, you will get CH3 and here also you will get CH3. This double bond O will convert into two hydrogens. There is a mechanism, beautiful mechanism for both Wolff-Kishner and Clemmensen, but if I write the mechanism, it will take a lot of time to explain this question, so I skip that, but in some videos I will write the mechanism also. Now we know that it is a hydroboration oxidation reaction which give us so-called anti-Markovnikov product. So here we get this after first step. In the first step, here BH2 gets, and then oxidation will occur. There is a migration of the groups also, beautiful mechanism. We are not writing it, we are just showing that it is H and it is OH here. Then PBr3 SN2 reaction will happen and minus PO Br2, that will move out. So you will get here Br. In place of OH you will get Br. So actually if you really want to know what is going on, it will attack here, it will convert into the better link group. Br minus will attack from the back side, and so you will get this, and HBr will also get out of this reaction. I am not writing the suitable mechanism, so just concentrate that PBr3 will give rise to SN2 reaction. In the fourth one, what will happen? It will cut here, ozonolysis. What will you get? You will get, so here I'm sorry I have left it in between. Here this was the product after second step. What about the third step? Zn dilute HCl. What will happen here? You will get H in place of Br because it is metal in acidic medium. Don't confuse it with the Woods reaction because here we have protonic solvent. So we will get this product, but it is ethyl group, but in the they are asking for the orthoxylene. So orthoxylene we need 2 CH3, so it is not possible because here we are not able to get rid of this one extra carbon, so that's not working here. Let's see the fourth option. In fourth option, in the first step, what we are getting? We are getting 2 carbonyl groups, and then they are saying they are doing Wolff-Kishner reduction, so they will convert both into, so it will get converted into this and it will get converted into this. So again in C and D option we are getting ethyl methyl benzene. Properly speaking 1 ethyl 2 methyl benzene, but they are asking about 1,2 dimethyl benzene. So correct option is A and B for this question number 1. If had they asked about ethyl methyl benzene, then C and D would have been the correct option. Thank you for listening.